Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. 10 proven ways to stop frost and ice buildup on trailer trucks. Every year, frost and ice on trailer trucks cause thousands of delays and accidents. A single layer of ice can add dangerous weight and reduce visibility, putting drivers and cargo at risk. The good news? With the right steps, you can prevent buildup before it starts. These simple but effective tips will help keep your truck clear, safe, and on schedule, no matter how cold it gets. Let's get into it. Understanding the dangers of frost and ice on trailer trucks. Ice and frost aren't just annoyances, they're serious hazards for trailer trucks. Even a thin layer can create problems that slow you down, add unexpected costs, or worse, put you in danger on the road. Regulatory fines for unsafe conditions only add to the headache. Let's break down exactly how frost and ice impact your rig, so you know what you're up against. How frost and ice affect trailer braking systems. Your brakes don't work as well when ice gets involved. Here's why. Reduced friction. Ice coats brake components like drums and pads, making them less effective. Stopping distances increase, especially in emergencies. Freezing mechanisms. Moisture seeps into slack adjusters or airlines, then freezes. The result? Brakes that stick or fail to release properly. Uneven wear. Icy buildup forces brakes to work harder in some spots, accelerating wear and raising repair costs. Think of it like trying to run in sneakers covered in mud. You're not getting the grip or control you need. The impact of ice buildup on fuel efficiency. Ice doesn't just make your truck heavier. It reshapes how it moves. The extra weight and drag force your engine to work harder, burning more fuel. Here's the breakdown. Weight adds up. A half-inch layer of ice on a 53-foot trailer can add over 1,000 pounds. Equivalent to carrying an extra pallet of cargo for free. Aerodynamic drag. Ice distorts the smooth surface of your trailer, creating turbulence. That extra wind resistance cuts into fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Engine strain. Hard acceleration to compensate for drag or stuck brakes increases fuel consumption even further. It's like riding a bike uphill with a backpack full of rocks. You'll use way more energy to go the same distance. And when fuel prices are high, that's a cost you can't ignore. The bottom line? Frost and ice aren't just winter nuisances. They're active threats to safety, compliance, and your bottom line. Next, let's talk about how to stop them before they start. Pre-trip inspection and maintenance tips. Preventing frost and ice starts long before winter sets in. A quick pre-trip check takes minutes but saves hours of headaches and keeps your trailer clear and safe. Skip the inspection, and you're practically rolling out the welcome mat for ice buildup. Here's how to stay ahead of it. Essential components to inspect before winter trips. Focus on the spots where frost and ice cause the most trouble. A thorough look at these areas will help you catch small issues before they freeze into big problems. Door seals and hinges. Cracked or worn seals let in moisture that turns to ice. Run your hand along the rubber. If it's brittle or cracked, replace it before your next haul. Brake lines and valves. Check for leaks or loose connections where water could seep in and freeze. A stuck brake isn't just annoying. It's a safety risk. Drain holes. Make sure they're clear. Clogged drains trap water that will freeze overnight, adding weight and stressing trailer walls. Battery terminals. Corrosion loves cold weather. Clean any buildup and tighten connections so you're not stranded with a dead battery. Keep a small notebook in your cab to track what you find. A pattern of small leaks or wear points helps you plan repairs before winter hits hard. How to properly de-ice trailer doors and seals. Once ice forms on doors or seals, prying them open risks damage. A little preventative care keeps things moving smoothly. Rubber conditioner. Apply it to door seals every few weeks. It keeps them flexible so ice can't grip as easily. Silicone spray. A light coat on hinges and latches prevents freezing. Avoid petroleum-based products. They degrade rubber over time. Plastic scrapers. Keep one handy. Metal tools scratch surfaces, creating rough spots where ice sticks worse next time. Warm, not hot, water. If you're in a pinch, use a portable sprayer with lukewarm water to melt ice gently. Boiling water can crack seals or glass. If doors freeze shut, don't force them. Work slowly with a plastic tool to break the seal, then reapply silicone spray once they're open. The goal isn't just to fix the problem today. It's to make sure it doesn't happen tomorrow. Effective anti-ice solutions for trailer trucks. Preventing ice buildup isn't just about scraping it off after it forms. It's about stopping it from sticking in the first place. The right sprays, covers, and tech can cut your de-icing time in half and keep your trailer safer on the road. Here's how to fight frost smarter, not harder. Best anti-ice sprays and liquids for trucks. Not all de-icers are created equal. Some just melt ice temporarily, while others form a protective barrier to stop it from coming back. For truckers, these options work best. Salt-free liquid de-icers. Safe for metal and rubber, these spray-on formulas prevent ice from bonding to surfaces. Look for propylene glycol-based products. They're less corrosive than salt blends. Alcohol-based sprays. Ethanol or isopropyl alcohol solutions melt ice fast and evaporate quickly, leaving no residue. Keep a bottle in your cab for mirrors and door handles. Wax-based sealants. Applied like a car wax, these coatings make surfaces slick so ice slides off with minimal effort. They last weeks, even in heavy snow. Pro tip. Avoid rock salt or chloride-based de-icers. They corrode brake lines and electrical wiring over time. The role of trailer covers in preventing frost. A good cover does more than keep snow off. It stops condensation from freezing overnight. Here's what to look for. Breathable fabric. Covers made from polyester or polypropylene let moisture escape instead of trapping it against the trailer. Elasticized edges. Snug fits prevent wind from lifting the cover and exposing spots to frost. UV-resistant coating. Sun damage weakens fabric. A UV-treated cover lasts 2 to 3 seasons instead of 1. For best results, install the cover when the trailer is dry. Frost forms fastest on damp metal. That wraps up part 1. Stay tuned for part 2 for even more tips and tricks to keep your trailer ice-free. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.